We had a good, great fisherman here at the lake. They caught this catfish. And look how big that catfish is. That thing must weigh 10, 11 pounds. This is John Hampton. We have John Robert Hampton, Charlotte Hampton, and Linda Gurley. We're fishing at Madison County Lake on Saturday, April the 21st, 2018.
Get him, he's taking my pole and all. He wanted that. He said, I'll get you for calling me little.
He's little, but he's loud. So Charlotte got the first fish.
Mama said I always do.
You learned from your dad.
Fishing with my daddy.
You learned that from your daddy, bless his heart. Charlotte has fish number 2. About the same size as the first one. Charlotte has fish number 3. Number 4. Come on. So Mama Linda has 1 fish. That's it right there. If I can zoom in on it here. Got it. And the crane saying, hey, you can feed that to me for lunch. Charlotte just caught her 5th fish. Unfortunately, the camera was not on at the time.
And you know, the other day I'd go through worms.
He stole your worm. Bless your heart. You gonna switch to bluegill?
Yeah. Baby, that's all I've been catching. Ain't even enough to say grace over.
This makes number 6. You're awesome.
A trout.
Charlotte's 8th fish. That's a
Look at it, it's pretty. Got blue in it.
Mm-hmm. We're doing a POV shot here.
Might want back. Might want back up.
Over John Robert's shoulder as he casts out again.
I haven't had a single backpack today.
Well, that's good. What do you think about this windy day that we're having? That wind is getting stronger and stronger because what we're expecting tomorrow?
Rain.
And
Storm.
you think we'll have any swirlies?
No. Probably not.
So what are you fishing today?
A white buzzbait.
A white buzzbait.
For a bass.
Is it buzz like a bee?
I'll show you in a minute. When it gets real high wind, it's right here. Start going around in circles.
Like we're having right now, this is a good windy bait, in other words.
And nothing wants to strike. I missed a good one, felt like an 8 or 9 over there.
Really?
Yeah. I just didn't get the hook set right.
Why don't you try going after him again while we got the camera here?
With my camo reel grips.
And we'll get a close-up of them.
My camo reel grips.
I got a good close-up of them. Close-up, rather. Go after him again. Let him get his 15 minutes of fame on YouTube. For those of you too young to wonder what the phrase 15 minutes of fame is, go look it up. You know, I do not know how in the world this is happening. We have no service out here, but I start filming and I get all these alerts popping up on the screen about news alerts and Facebook wall posts and all this stuff.
Come off, buddy.
Yeah. Got him. Number 9.
Well, that makes 2 or 3 that come off, so I'm 3.
That's 2 that he's had that's done that since I've been over here. Try it again. Keep going for him. 10. So John Robert, that 2 that you've caught, put you above Mama Linda. She only had 1.
I missed 4. I missed going while you was over there.
This is about as far as I'll go right here. There we go. That makes Mama have 2. Makes her have 3, and John Robert got one while I was gone too, so he has a total of 4. So we have 8, 4, and 3.
Where's the knife?
Right here. We had a good, great fisherman here at the lake that caught this catfish. And look how big that catfish is. That thing must weigh 10, 11 pounds. That's a cat. Well, now you know they exist.
Yeah, a couple people unhooked him.
And then lost him.
Yep, he snapped once.
John Robert, you know that fish has been fighting you over there on the other side? You don't think that could be him, do you? If it's the case, you've probably lost him a couple times over the years.
I'm the defending champ at that.
Losing them?
Mm-hmm.
This great person, this...
We didn't tell way his lip was messed up. He been banging up against them rocks and stuff.
Yeah. I'd say, John Robert's proud of the day he's had here too. He's not really caught anything, but he's had some good bites. And this young man here even gave him a lure, and we thank him for that. Daddy James used to use that every once in a while. That's that dough balls, as he called them.
Yeah, they stink.
They stink, but boy, did they ever catch the fish. What's your name?
Kyle.
Kyle. Thank you, Kyle.
Not a problem.
You have a good day and roll tide, sir.
Roll tide.
Hey, I'm wondering which team is it going to be, Crimson or is it going to be White eating steak, and which one's going to be eating the beans this time? Because you know that's what happens at that A-Day game. One team gets steak and one team gets beans.
Well, I'm hoping it's Crimson myself.
Hey, you know they deserve it. They got the better players, I think. Well, God bless you, brother.
God bless you.
This is John Hampton, John Robert Hampton, and Charlotte Hampton. I want to thank you for watching this video with us today. Fishing at Madison County Lake. Fishing on a windy Saturday. Have a great day, and God bless.